Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm going snow pixie hunting. Come on, come with me.
Oh, look, it's warmed up.
Get down too low. We'll take them.
She's sitting with her feet up in the air. It's kind of cute. Wind slowly rolling that back under us.
I wanted you to see her eyelashes in the sun. I don't know if you can see the glitter or not. I love these little eyelashes. This is the first time I've changed eyelashes on a Middie, and then her little diamonds should be, if I can turn them right and get them to glisten. There they go, I think. I hope. And there she is, a close-up, and this is her veil. How cute is that? Darren said it's gonna look like a snow pixie bride. I said, well, maybe brides look like snow pixies. I wanted to give you a close-up indoors of my little pixie. I thought in the sun things would sparkle and shine, but they didn't seem to. This is a very high shine stretch ribbon I used for the bodice. And then this is 2 or 3 layers of, I don't know if you can see the glitter in her skirt or not. It's got a lot, and then these little pearls. And then her little earrings should sparkle, diamonds. And then her little eyelashes didn't sparkle at all in the sun. I'm very, very disappointed. They are very glittery. Gosh, I wish you could see them the way they are in person. She does have eyebrows, little white eyebrows to go with her everything. And then this is her veil. It has a clip on it for her hair. We are going to have to do a blooper video on this doll. I'm telling you what, the wind was blowing terribly out there. It was 12, what was it, 12 degrees or 10 degrees? And the wind chill was 13 below zero when we were filming her in the snow. So that's why I'm giving you all the close-ups indoors. I made her veil quite wide. Again, it's got, what do you call that, iridescent glitter in the tool, and this is doubled. I doubled the tool for her little veil. And then she has a little white stand, because snow pixie, a little jar of snow, and a little jar of ice. And I hope that glitter is shining. All of this in real life just glitters and shines. Very cute. And she has another outfit. I made her clothes, this outfit, well, all of them, I think, completely by hand, all hand sewing. I made these hip huggers because of the skirt elastic. This has a snap in the back, the little shirt does, and then the first headband she has a little silver bow. The little skating skirt slides up over her little shiny pants. I love those shiny pants. And then it gets this cummerbund. Where's the other part of the snap? Right there. Okay. That goes around her waist and snaps. And then she's got these itty bitty skates. I wanted to point out that her tiny shoes were 3D printed, well, by Darren, but they are a pearlized filament. I don't know if you can see that or not. This just isn't shining and shimmering like it is in person. I won't lie to you, I had to use tweezers to get her little skates on, but here she is in her little skating outfit. and ready to get on the ice, of which I thought we'd have, and we've had a warm-up since we took those snow videos, and I am so glad we took them when we did. You think February would be a colder time of year, but it's not. I made this these little earmuffs with the bow out of the same shiny tulle for her to skate in. I thought that was kind of cute. So that is my little snow pixie, and I absolutely love her. I don't usually say those kind of things about my own creations, but this one, oh, I love a doll on skates. Thank you for watching. Beth, Jay, and Tammy, I thank you so much for doing this collab together again. And please go see their videos. I will leave a link to their channels below. And stay tuned for some bloopers at the end of our video. Oh my, did we have trouble filming. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.